Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Valentine's Day acrylic look and I've already prepped and primed my nails, and please excuse the skin around my cuticles. I went balls to the wall with my nail drill taking off my last set, and no, that is not something you're supposed to do at all. So please ignore that, and moving on, I am using my Young Nails primer and Speed Bubblegum Pink from Young Nails as my base for this set. And I'm using odorless monomer. I really wish I didn't have to, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Traditional monomer stinks up my whole house, and I get a lot of complaining from my husband, so I'm dealing with this and I'm trying my best, but one day I might just tell him to suck it up.
I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely. I've waited for so long, but what if it goes wrong and you walk right out that door? I never thought I'd be speaking words like these, but they're hanging on my lips. I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely. You're patient and you're kind. No fault that
I'm using this purple Mylar that I found on AliExpress, and then I'm also using these pink little cutout hearts that I've been seeing all over, and I got these on Etsy. I ended up dumping them everywhere, so that was really good, and now I can't even get them all up, so they were actually really annoying.
I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely. If I could look into the years and see what's gonna come of this, I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely.
Next, I'm using Unicorn Crush from Glitterbels. This is quickly becoming one of my favorites. It's the perfect amount of glitter. I love the pink, and it is absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day.
Standing there, we were talking close. Started on the 4th of July. We had all the fire, but oh, we had no money, and oh, it was a glorious time. Images, they were flashing outside, and I can see the glint in your eyes. We had all the fire, but oh, we had no money, and oh, it was a glorious time. We were free with the feelings that were new, and time seemed never ending as I was reaching you. Looking up to heaven, looking up tonight, looking up to heaven, lying by your side. 6 months have passed us by, standing here on New Year's Eve. We thought, where did the time go? Oh, nobody knows, it's a mystery. Images, they are flashing so bright, and I can see the glint in your eyes. We have all the fire, but oh, we have no money, and oh, it's a glorious time. We were free with the feelings that are true, and time seemed never ending as I was reaching you. Looking up to heaven, looking up tonight, oh, we're looking up to heaven, lying by your side.
I'm going to put some rhinestones on now, and before I do that, I'm going to use my Makartt Rhinestone Gel glue, and then I'm going to top coat that with Madame Glam No White Top Coat. And once I put the gems on, I can just put that right in the light, and it'll be cured and top coated, looking nice.
Where we would watch, and I can see us looking out at another year that's gone, and people laughing, people waiting, all I see is you. People laughing, people waiting, and all I see is you. Free with the feelings that are true. Time stood waiting as I was reaching you. We were free with the feelings that are true. Time seemed never ending as I was reaching you. We're looking up to heaven, we're looking up tonight, oh, we're looking up to heaven, lying by your side.
Applying top coat to my other nails, and then I'm going to add my cuticle oil. I really appreciate you joining me today. If you enjoyed this look and liked how these turned out, I would love it if you could comment or even like. Anything would be so appreciated. That really does give creators the motivation to keep on going, and I would love to just keep putting content out like this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
Looking up to heaven.